Ayan, maligay lang ang mga tao dito. Tama ka dyan, Sir Jun. Shouting ka mag-segue. But then again,
basketball. And for tip-off, eto, Rene Baterbonia versus Rachel Brahim. First possession. Ball out of bounds. Turnover for Mangayay with the ball. Corner, Reynaldo. Balik kay Mangayay. Christian Yanya bahagi. Corner, three-pointer. No good. Rebound by Baterbonia. Biting, nagmamadali. Finds Cayetano. Catch and shoot. Three-pointer, no good. Brahim with the rebound. Brahim. Long two. No good. Biting, rebound against Christian Yanya bahagi. Wants to snatch the ball. That's a steal by Casanillo. No good. No score start of the first quarter. Pellegrino, jumper. First basket of the ball game. Maki Pellegrino. 2 points. Napaga na pasahan. Mangayay for 3. Bahagi. Long 2, no good. Rebound by Bainting. Crossover, Pellegrino. And a traveling violation called to Maki Pellegrino. Tingnan natin yung last play dito by Maki Pellegrino. That jumper is good. Traveling violation. Rachel Brahim. Biting for 3. Yes sir! For the little guy. 5-0 dito. Start of the first quarter. Bahagi. Farsa long 3. Pero Mentes. Biting, faking the 3. One dribble pull up. Back-to-back basket. for Bahinting. 5 points. Bahagi. Balik kay Mangayay. Same move by Bahinting. No. Napaka Mama Rinaldo Casanillo. Mga galawang veterano yon. Poy Actub miss. Offensive rebound by Braem. Corner 3. First basket for CLB Carmen. Coming from Raisel Braem. Cayetano fires a 3, miss. And eto, Poy Actub to Braem. His signature move. Braem, 5 points for CLB Carmen. Bahinting to Cayetano. Pellegrino drives, nakalusot kay Braem. And the fader is good. 9-5 ang ating score. Bahagi against Cayetano. Bump Cayetano. Finds Actub, faking the pass. Fires a 3, no good. Reynaldo Casanillo doing a good job dun sa ilalim. And may foul na. Baterbonia. Tingnan natin itong last play by Pellegrino. Killer jumper against the veteran Reynaldo Casanillo, a good defender. Braem fires a 3. 8 points alone dito sa first quarter for Raisel Braem. Pellegrino sizing up Braem. Drive, baseline jumper, no good. Ball out of bounds. Tingnan natin yung last play. Ayun, tumagal yung switch. Braem hits 3-pointer. Cayetano misfire. Mangayay kick out. Braem again, no good. Reynaldo Casanillo again for the offensive rebound for CLB. Bahagi. Miss is Estardante with the rebound. Akala nila travel pero tuloy yun. Sanoria scored for off-campus.
Number 17, Summer. Mike Tutus from Braem.
Two free throws for Braem. 5 minutes in the first quarter. Bulasa pasok na for off-campus and Sixican. Second throw for Braem. 10-11. Isang puntos kalamangan for off-campus. Sa gitna. Screen by Sanoria. Pellegrino, 3-pointer. And Bulasa with a putback. And he is fouled by Poy Actub.
Jersey number 10, ang foul. Summer.
Tingnan natin yung last play dito by Sanoria. Akala nila nag-stop sila lahat eh. Akala nila travel doon pero hindi. And Bulasa, pasok yung unang free throw. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. Live po tayo sa Court Vision and Kunsi Yan Bahagi Facebook page, and live din tayo sa YouTube channel. Pwede kayong manood sa inyong mga Smart TV dyan sa inyong mga bahay. Puy Aktob, Bumabuelo, Pastor Brahim. Sanoya sidestepping, lost the ball, out of bounds. Naka-establish na doon ang depensa si Casanillo. Substitution for CLB. 5 in, 5 out. 4 minutes and 34. Butin. Ito, pasok na yung mga locals dito for CLB. Jersey number... Oh, nice find! And a sweet finish by Butin. Magaling talaga na finisher itong si Butin. Kahit undersized, nakakalusot. There's a foul. Tingnan natin yung last play dito. Jersey number 10. Ayun, a packet pass to Butin. Scored 2 points. First free throw, pasok. 14-12, 4 minutes and 6. First quarter. Standarte. Last throw. 2 out of 2. 3-point lead off campus. And live din tayo sa CB Production for the Kapalong Inter Barangay Championship game. Jersey number 10, Idilion. Dikit lang po dito sa first quarter. Offensive rebound, pero nabitawan. Ball stays to off-campus. Itong sa off-campus, ito po yung preparation nila para sa palarong pambansa this month. I think 22 until katapusan ba? Outlet pass, touchdown pass, Butin with a reverse. Sobrang ilalim na yon. Courtesy, napakagandang pasa by jersey number 21. No answer. Ayun na naman. Pero huli yan ni jersey number 23, Bulasa. Siksikan. To Bulasa. A two-man play. There's a foul. Foul by Luage. Tingnan natin yung last play dito. Siksikan. Balik kay Bulasa. Two defender yung nasa harap. At Bulasa, walang takot. Sa gitna, jersey number 8, Butin. Oh! What a spin! Put back! Basket count!
Basket.
Tingnan natin yung last play dito. Spin by Butin, missed the shot. But jersey number 10 with a putback, basket count, bonus throw for Idilion. Missed the bonus throw. CLB Carmen up by 1. Long 2. Offensive rebound, siksikan. And Bulasa scored dun sa napakaganda pasa by siksikan. Ball out of bounds. Bola ng CLB. Shout out tirada dul. Wa lagi. Asa bang kadiri Lodi? Wala lagi. Butin against Butterbonia. Nakakaapak sa linya. Shout out to 1,300 live viewers. Under 2 minutes in the first quarter. Siksikan. Di diskarte. That's a long 2 for Siksikan. Botin attacks Butterbonia and he is fouled. Tinamaan pa ata yung babang part ni Butterbonia. Botin, 2 free throw. Last throw pag pumasok, baba sa isa ang kalamangan ng off-campus. Siksikan, yes. Sisikan, sorry. Sisikan. Idol Primo Caloyo Jr. Thank you for correcting me, ha. Baba tong bitrate. Sakto lang establish og live sa YouTube. Miscommunication there, steal by Sisikan. Hulihan ni De Leon. Against Bulasa, there's a push. 17, naipasa pa, naibaba, Butin. Spinning. In traffic, oh, what a pass. Suarez. 21 all, 41 seconds. Corner, 3-pointer for off-campus. Off-target. De Leon with a rebound. Ball out of bounds. Tingnan natin yung last play. You know, muntik na dun si Butim, pero nice find. Nahanap niya dun si Suarez. 21 all, 16 seconds. Suarez again. Nice drop pass. No, that's a steal. Turnover. Sisikan. Suarez with the ball, and that's the end of the first quarter. Score na. So shout out ko from Balingasag, Misamis Oriental, from Friends Romera. Oh, steal by Popoy Octob. Poy bumubuelo. Oh. Bahinting, stop. Poy there. Magti-take off na sana yun. Two free throw for Octob. Last throw for the tie. Shout out Raymart Soto. Tabla po tayo sa 23. Shout out Cedric Lagare, Boss Oyok, Dave Pasadilla. Shout out from Bansalan, Davao del Sur. Pellegrino to Fuentes. Cayetano. Ayun na, pumasok na yung 3-pointer. Ball out of bounds. There's the steal by Hontilia. Stop and pop, Hontilia. Jumper no good. There's a pushy foul.
Jersey number 20.
Jersey number 20. Tenoria, kick out to Fuentes by Hinting. Against Hontilia. Fuentes screen. Foul by Naungayan.
Jersey number 12, Naungayan.
Shout out watching from Samal, Miltor Ampere. Pahinting na libre, no good. Pellegrino, one dribble. Fires a 3, in and out, almost a slam. Ball out of bounds by Cayetano. Cross pass to Octob, faking the pass. Balik kay Lupio, fires a 3. No good. Logroño, offensive rebound, nabitawan yung bola. Shout out watching from Pasig. Ran Soriel Orebla. Cayetano, no good. Sanoya miss the jumper. Point by Octob all the way, 2 points. Offensive rebound by Fuentes. Power move, big boy move. For the big guy, Fuentes. Octob. Oh, what a pass by Octob! Behind the back pass to Naungayan and scored 27-28. Cayetano, 3-pointer, wala. Naungayan with a rebound. Octob. Hontilia. To Logroño. In traffic. Nice cut by Hontilia pero hindi nakuha ng maayos yung bola. Pahinting, stop and pop, no good. Lupio drives and scored! Napakabilis nun. Lamang na po ang CLB Carmen ng 1 puntos. Pellegrino with a mid-range jumper. Balik ulit ang Kalamangan sa off-campus, up by 1. Shout out from Sultan Kudarat, Zaire Zamora. Octob, basket count. Tingnan natin yung replay. Ayun, iwan si Cayetano and the floater. pasok. Off target. Eto na, Hontilia to Lupio. Lupio! No, back-to-back basket for Lupio. Bolasa. Find Sanoria dun sa bench. Akala niya, nakatayo kasi Sanoria. That's a turnover. Ma-shoutout daw from Bingkungan, Allen Josh Abuhan. Puypoy Agtop! Nabitawan lang ang bola. Gigil na gigil. Yun o. Dadagdagan sana dun. Shoutout Jory De La Cruz from Purok, Nangka. There's number 22. Jumper is good. 32 all. 4 minutes and 40. Hontilia, three-pointer! Three-point lead for CLB Carmen. Napakagandang pasa by Kuya Yanyan. Eto, steal. Hontilia to Christian Bahage. Binali pa! Nag-hesitate siya doon. Aabutan siya doon. Kung hindi niya ginawa yun. Bolasa. Tiningnan lang ni Aktob. Walang box out. Hontilia, stop again. Three-pointer! Back-to-back basket for Hontilia. 38-34, 3 minutes and 42.
3 minutes and 40 seconds.
There's a foul.
Dress number 10.
Tingnan natin yung last play dito by Hontilia. Back-to-back three-pointer. Thank you sa tubig. Standarte. Free throw pasok. Second throw. Miss. Standarte offensive rebound. Put back. Basket count. Jersey number 22. Tingnan natin yung replay. Ito yung putback. May kasama mang foul. Bonus throw. Siason. No good. Another offensive board for off campus. And a steal by basket count. Puypoy Agtop. Good challenge, but good offense by Puypoy Agtop.
Okay.
41-37. Siason, corner three-pointer, wala. Biting offensive rebound against Hontilia. There's a push. and fouled by Juntilla.
Jersey number 24, Akpang Montilla. Saber.
Shoutout ko Renz Yap from Renz Istandarte. Shoutout from Busaon, Tagum City, Jolas, Iscalana. Bola out of bounds. Last touch by the red jersey. Bola na mga nakadilaw.
59 seconds.
Shoutout doll from Kapalong, Melvin Lornal. Montilla missed this time. Reynaldo Casanillo, offensive rebound. Lost the ball. And that's his steal. Bahinting. Cayetano, iniwan. Balik sa isa. Aktob. Jumper no good. Shoutout La Filipinas San Roque, Terence Lichenhouse. Back-to-back basket for Cayetano. Balik na ang Kalamangan sa off-campus by 2 points. Yan bahagi. That's a long three. No good. Tignan natin. That extra pass. Cayetano.
41-43. Lamang napuntuha ang off-campus.
Na dumulas yung bola. Still by. Ayun, dumulas again. Mangayay, missed the shot. Sayang yung steal. Transition. Damag. That's a traveling violation. Shout out Dan Job Christopher Dilat Torre from Ixon Fuel from Jerry Ihara. Rhyme. So, Reynaldo Casanillo, Tumangayay. Balik kay Brahe, 4-3. Wala. Good backs out by Reynaldo. In a reverse. Wala. Pahinting. Toluage scored. 2 points. Seconds to play, under 1 minute. Brian to Casanillo. Finds Mangayay. To bahagi. Deflected by Cayetano. Recovered by Brian. Puy Agtub. No good. Tapik bola. Offensive rebound. 37 seconds. Mangayay. Still no good. 30 seconds. Luage. To Cayetano. Long two. No good. 13 seconds. Bahinting faking the three. Puy Agtub with the hang time. Pellegrino. No look pass to Baterbonia and a slam. Napakandang dish by Pellegrino. Ayun no. Bater, thank you kuya for always good no nga pagsalig sa kuha. Since dati pa. Boss Eman, kurukong ho kuya boy. Baterbonia 7, 8-point lead. Kahit dalawa pa yung bantay. Kuya Aktob, isang tawag lang ni Kuya Yan, lipad agad. Shout out. Saan na yung anak ni mo? Oh! That's seconds lang. May Butterbonia. Yun no, napakagandang ikot ng bola. Bahagi. Stop and back. Bam! May Puypuy Aktob. Puypuy Aktob. Nagmamadali. Basket count. Touchdown pass. Puypuy Aktob.
Five to shoot.
Prime, no good. Mangayay! Out of no. Ni Mangayay.
Bonai, Torrance, Bulaza. 15 to shoot. Bahagi.
Bahagi. Recovered. Cayetano. Three-pointer. Bang! Pellegrino. Drop pass. Foul from behind by Brian. Pellegrino. Push. Step back. Pass. Aktob. Kick out. Yan yan bahagi for three. Bang! Rinaldo Casanillo. Crossover. And a reverse. Ayun yung crossover. And Butterbonia with the reverse. Pellegrino against Mangayay. Nakalusot. Ayun! Bang! Pangatlong. Aktob. Atsak. Kick out. Rinaldo Casanillo. Cayetano. Corner 3. Bang! Puypuy Aktob. Diniscarte. Crossover. And score for CLB! May kasama pang
19 seconds.
two defender. Three-pointer. No good. And that's it!